Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A8535. Starting right away up front here, you have nice chrome accents in the grille as well as the HID headlights to keep it nice and bright at night. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear tires. Looking at the tread on the tires, and then we're going to take a look inside. You have cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family to ride very comfortably. Panoramic sunroof up top, going to keep it nice and sunny there in your vehicle. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, you have a rear backup camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. You have your climate controls here, dual heated seats as well, and of course your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.